Hello guys, welcome to Matchtech. This is full review video of Evolution X ROM for our Realme X device. If you want to flash that ROM, here is a video card for sale. If you want to activate your Windows 10 with official retail key, that too in only 445 Indian rupees, here is a video card for sale and the website link will be there in the description box below. I am personally using the same key, so you can trust this site. This is Evolution X ROM. I have used this ROM for more than a month now and didn't face any issue while using this ROM. It is running on Android 11, 5 April 2021 Android security patch. Build date 20 April 2021. Proximity sensor is working fine while calling. This is the wallpaper section. Style section. Grid options. If you want to know the gaming performance of this ROM, here is a video card for sale. We have double tap to sleep in this ROM. Even fingerprint sensor is working super fine in this ROM. In Realme parts, we have FPS information overlay, DC dimming, high brightness mode, sRGB mode, gaming mode, screen off gestures, ambient display gestures, display color control. We have pulse pickup, raise to wake, which is working super fine. These are headphone type options. Digital well-being and parental control is there. In security, we have face unlock, which is working super fine. Wi-Fi calling and dual VoLTE is working. The evolver, where we have all the customization options. It is theme section. We can change clock style, font options, dark theme, light theme, accent colors, icon packs, icon shapes, dashboard icons, switch style, volume panel style, custom header, Here we have lots and lots of options to choose custom image. In status bar, we have network traffic indicators, clock and date, battery mode, battery icons. In notification, we have head-up display, notification headers, in quick settings, we have quick pull down, smart pull down, power menu, advanced reboot, gesture options, lock screen options, all the fingerprint icons are working. Navigation, buttons, animations. We can disable each and every animation from here. Miscellaneous, here we have gaming mode, screenshot settings, partial screenshot, about Evolution X. Here we have website, Telegram group, Twitter of Evolution X ROM. Have a look at the battery performance. As you can see, I got almost 10 hours of screen on time, 12 hours 15 minutes of phone idle time in this ROM. have a look at some camera samples and video samples. If you love to see amazing photographs and reels like this, then please follow me on Instagram at mandar12. This is the best custom ROM I have ever used on my Realme X device, and it is a bugless ROM. You can use this ROM as a daily driver without any problem. You won't face any kind of issue in this ROM. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified.